How can innovation be unlocked? There's a key that is vital to many students of the arts. Having the proper tools is part of that innovation. Hello, everyone. Hi, everyone. My name is Lydia Atubeh, and I'm a visual arts teacher and an over 20-year advocate for the arts. In my time within the arts, I have traveled to numerous countries, given a number of different presentations, all in the effort to explain and help others understand how to not only cultivate the talents of students, but also to understand how art itself has a great presence within the world and has a concrete ability to develop critical thinking skills and innovate ideas. I've taught students from ages 3 all the way up to graduate school, and I work to develop different techniques and tools to help students of all abilities be able to learn and have a chance to be able to cultivate their talents. What I have learned is that there are tools available for students in various ways, but not fully. I've developed or authored books, including one called Rebuilding a Jewel, that I was honored to have several well-known people in the field support. And I've also traveled extensively in my work as a visual arts educator. And I've learned that students need a place to put their ideas on paper that's of good quality. They need quality materials. They need quality media in order to express their ideas so that they can become the next designer. That's why I've created Innovate Today, a multimedia sketchbook. In this sketchbook, students get exactly what they need: a place to personalize their ideas, to use the tools and techniques that they learn in their visual arts class and turn them into new products, new ideas, new clothing, new houses, new apartment buildings. Ideas that will focus on removing problems and focusing on solutions for the world. That's what Innovate Today Multimedia Sketchbook does. It allows them a space to maybe cultivate their ideas for the next great auto design, or maybe another idea for the next great building or skyscraper, or possibly the next revolutionary pair of tennis shoes. Well, will you join me and support this project today? And we need as many as possible to do this so that we can order and provide these books to students deserving of a space for innovation.